Good evening, officer. What seems to be the problem?
Are you Mr. Michael Kyle?
Yes, I am. Is there something wrong with my kids?
No, I'm here to investigate a call we received about a woman screaming at this address.
I think I can explain that.
I am so embarrassed, excuse me.
Hey, go make me a sandwich, girl.
Actually, the call came from within the house. Someone by the name of Katie.
That's my 5-year-old daughter.
Well, it seems she reported a woman screaming, oh, God, you're killing me.
Yeah, that's what she said. You know, sometimes you just gotta hurt them, show who the boss. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. Do me a favor. Keep it down.
You talking about the noise, right? Because if not, you might as well arrest me for disturbing the peace.
Okay.
All right, officer.
Well, everything seems to be okay here. You have a good night.
I already did.
But you know, I love your mommy. I would never do anything to hurt her.
I know, but why was she going, oh God, oh God, oh God?
Because she was thankful.
Why was she screaming?
Because she was having fun. You know how like when we go to an amusement park and you get on the roller coaster and you're like, ah!